Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In our last class, we were able to see the letters of the Igbo alphabet, which are 36 in number. And in that 36, we have 28 consonants and 8 vowels. Same last week, we were able to use the letters to form words, and from words, we use the words to make sentences, and the sentences were also translated. But for today's class, we're going to look at the division of those letters, the letters which are divided into two, the consonants and the vowels. So today we're going to look at the vowels. We'll look at the division of the vowels. We'll look at the division of the consonant. But first of all, let's look at the consonants. Remember, I told you that the consonants are 28 in number, and these consonants are divided into the single consonants and the digraphs. First of all, we'll look at the single consonants. The single consonants, which are called mgbochumenge in Igbo language, are 19 in number. But the digraph, which are called mgbochumembe, are 9 in number. Still on the consonants, there are two consonants that have dual functions, the me and the ne. These two letters have dual functions. The function as semi-vowels and also consonants. The question will be, how do you know when they are functioning as semi-vowels or when they are functioning as consonants? Now look at your screen very well. You will see that we have vowels after the me and the ne. So whenever you see a vowel coming after me and ne in words, just know that their functions there are consonants and not semi-vowels. Let's look at them in words. The first one we have mara. Mara means to know. Mara. You see that we have a vowel coming after the letter M. The next one is meta. Meta means to do well. We have meta, which is the next one. Meta means to bear fruit. Next consonants, which is the ne, which is the n. You have words like nara, to receive. Nara can also mean to collect. Okay, the next one is nabata, to welcome. Then the next one, nile. Nile means all. Now let's look at where the me and the ne function as semi-vowels. Now, whenever they are functioning as semi-vowels, you see that there are consonants after them. What am I trying to say? Whenever you see consonants after the M and the N in Igbo words, just know that their functions there are semi-vowels and not consonants. Now let's look at some of the words. The first one for the me, we have mkpu. Mkpu means shout. Iti mkpu, to shout. The next one is mma. Mma. Mma is beauty. This next one, mba. Mba means no. The next one, mvo. Mvo. Mvo means fingernail. The next one, mkpụrụ. Mkpụrụ means word or words. Now let's look at the ne. We have nka. Nka to age. We have nna, father. Nne, mother. We have ngaji, spoon. We have nkowa, which means explanation. Whenever the M and N are functioning as semi-vowels, there are consonants that are permitted to come after each of them. Now let's look at those consonants. For the letter M, you see that there are a list of consonants on your screen. These are the consonants that come after the letter M in words. Remember, I said is whenever the letter M is functioning as semi-vowel. These consonants that are produced outside the oral cavity follows the letter M in words. Let's look at them in words. We have mbo. Mbo means first. We have mfeli. Mfeli means to fly. We have mba. Mba, wrestling. We have mpa. Mpa, something being important. We have mano. Mano means oil. We have mpo. Mpo means havoc. We also have mvo. Mvo means fingernail. We have mwepo. Mwepo means to remove. Now let's look at the letter N, the ne. You see there are lists of consonants that come after it in words. These consonants are produced inside the oral cavity. They are produced inside your mouth. So all those consonants that are produced inside the oral cavity come after the letter N in words. Let's look at them in words. We have the first one, ncha, which means soap. We have ndidi, patience. We have ngaji, spoon. We have ngopota, to plug out. We have ngwa, verb, ngwa. We have nhazi, which is organization. We have njo, ugly. We have nkowa, explanation. We have nkwo, a market day in Igbo land. We have nlota, to return. We have no. No means welcome. We have ngomi. Ngomi means to emulate. We have nwale. Nwale means test. We have nyocha, to examine. We have nri. Nri is food. We have nsacha. Nsacha is to wash. We have nshicha. Nshicha is eraser. We have ntutu. Ntutu is hair. We have nyo. Nyo is sieve. We have nzopota. Nzopota means to save. Let's wrap up the semi-vowel session with some misspelled words in Igbo language. The first one we have Chidemma. Chidemma, they spell it as the NM, but the right way is the MM. We have Mmesomachi. Mmesomachi. You're beginning Mmesomachi with NM instead of MM. Mmesomachi should be MM and not NM. The next one is Nwakamma. Nwakamma, at the ending part, you have MM, but people misspell it as NM. We also have Mmasinachi. Mmasinachi is not Mmasinachi, but Mmasinachi. So it should be MM and not NM. That's all for the semi-vowel. That is the me and the ne. Now let's look at the vowels. In Igbo language, we have 8 vowels. And these 8 vowels are divided into 2 parts. The first set is the light vowels and the heavy vowels. Let's look at the first set, which is the light vowels. The light vowels are called Udaumenfe in Igbo language. They are also referred to as O2A. In Igbo language, we have 4 light vowels. 4 light vowels. They are A, E, O, and O. These 4 vowels are the light vowels in Igbo language, and they are found in words like aka. Aka means hand. Ala, land. Ano, meat. We have iba. Iba means malaria. We have ita. Ita means to chew. We have iba. Iba. Iba means to enter. We also have archie. Archie means laughter. We have oko. Oko means fire. We have ono. Ono means mouth. We have okwa. Okwa is a type of food. We call breadfruit. We have oba. Oba, or bean fruit. We have oda. Oda means sound. Let's look at the heavy vowels. The heavy vowels are referred to as odaumearo. Odaumearo, or you can call it O2E. In Igbo language, we have 4 heavy vowels, and they are E, I, O, and U. You see, they are heavy because as I pronounce it, they are not as fast as the light vowels. It's as if you are carrying heavy load. You are carrying a heavy object. So that is why they are called heavy vowels, because they are not light in pronunciation. Let's look at them in words. We can find them in words like ede. Ede means cocoyam. Efe. Efe means clothes, though it's dialectal. In the Central Igbo, the efe is called aqua. Aqua. The next one is ero. Ero is mushroom. Ero, mushroom. We have ite. Ite is pot. We have ire. Ire is tongue. We have ikwe. Ikwe is mortar. We have obi. Obi is chest. Obi, chest. We have obe. Obe is cross. We have onye. Onye is person. For the letter U, you can find it in words like ude. Ude means cream. You have udu. Udu is drum. And you have ugo. Ugo is an ego. These are the heavy vowels in Igbo language. Well, we have come to the end of today's class. Don't forget I said we have 28 consonants in Igbo language and we have 8 vowels. See you in the next class. I'm still your sister, the one and only Adibo, the First Lady. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Bye.